Quick change boring tool installation and removal. Tungsten steel quick change boring tool. Self-developed tool holder. The surface is covered with a protective oil film. Free proofread design. Locating pins. Just install it directly. No need to calibrate. Fixed with positioning screws. Tightly bonded, tightly seamed. Use inside tool holder to realize internal coolant. Tighten the fixing bolt and you can take out the boring tool. Easy to operate and improve efficiency. Secure packaging protection.